This protocol gives you 300% APR, Contexia Finance. Hey, and welcome to the crypto world, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Hey, quickly before we start, we want to let you know this video is not financial advice and we're not financial advisors, so please do your own research before investing any money. That being said, let's get into it. What should you do to have money in the future that also needs to multiply as you're listening to this? Investing, right? You may think of investing in some profitable assets, and among them, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and the metaverse world are a few options to consider. But can you say that Bitcoin would stay in the market, would let you make profit for the lifetime, and would not lose its value? We're talking about the digital money that does not exist physically, so it's quite possible they're of no value in the future. Plus, crypto and metaverse projects are often considered to be all time projects that would stay in the market forever. But have you ever heard about any project claiming this very idea? You're not going to find that out, which means no project can promise you to bring returns for your lifetime. In simple words, you cannot rely on these projects and worry not about your retirement. So, what should you do if you want to invest in a project that'll always stay in the market? And what if you want the project to give you a passive income as long as you have money invested in it? This is where a protocol like Contexia Finance comes in, covering all the concerns you may have. But wait a second, what is Contexia Finance in the first place and whether you should invest in it or not? Or better, why not talk about this protocol that gives you 300% APR, Contexia Finance? But before we continue, here's that reminder. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss many updates and insights about the crypto and investment world. Let's get started. What is Contexia Finance? Contexia Finance is a crypto passive income protocol that supports NFT gambling and lets the users have a continuous income for the lifetime. This is something that no other project has offered or completed yet in the market. Contexia Finance wanted to solve issues and wipe off all the concerns investors had about these types of projects. Usually, the majority of crypto projects promise a hefty income, but it fades away as time passes and eventually the projects are stopped. It is the trust and the belief that these types of projects have lost, and Contexia Finance wants to get them back. Without keeping anything secret, Contexia Finance lets you own its nodes that are called jackpots. Jackpots are the very medium that's going to bring you passive income. You can think of node as something that generates an income for you and claim it when a particular period of time passes. On claiming your income, you get a con that you can convert in your native currency and do whatever you want to do with it. And this is where you need to know about con. Con is the native cryptocurrency of the protocol Contexia Finance that'll be used as a payment medium. To buy and own nodes or jackpots, you need to have con. Plus, you'll also get your income in the form of con. Hence, it's going to be a cryptocurrency that would have vast utility inside the protocol. But how are you going to make passive income? And how long can you get it? Passive income is an income for which you don't have to work actively. You just simply receive it for doing nothing in return or doing no work at all. Earlier, you needed to either play the crypto games and be a part of the protocols to earn money. But now, with Contexia Finance, you don't necessarily have to interact with the protocol all the time. To get started and to start receiving your passive income, you need to first own a node. Contexia Finance's node is called a jackpot for the reason that it brings a sort of reward to you. You get three types of jackpots, which you can select to receive different incomes. They vary in prices, and a more expensive node brings more income in return. As we already said, you need to have con to buy these nodes. The Silver Platypus jackpot node costs you 100 con, while it gives you around zero point 0.8 con per day in passive income. Another type of jackpot node is Diamond Lucius that costs 250 con and brings about 2.5 con per day in passive income. Gold Image jackpot node is the superior and expensive one that costs you 500 con and brings 6.6 con per day in passive income. As it's clear, owning a gold MS node will bring more returns for you than owning a silver platypus one. And here comes the next question. For how long can you get a passive income from these jackpot nodes? You're going to love the answer. There's no limit to the amount of time you can have a passive income as long as you hold these jackpot nodes. No matter how many years have passed since you bought jackpot nodes, you'll continue to get a passive income. What that really means is that if you buy a gold MS jackpot node and hold it for 1 year, you'll have about 2,400 con in your wallet. You can literally make 2,400 Con in just 1 year in return for the 500 Con you paid to buy the jackpot. By doing the math, it becomes clear that considering the lifelong time period in 20 years will make you 48,180 Con, starting from only 500 Con. There are no limits to the amount of con you will make as a passive income. Plus, your jackpot node is not going to expire. In this way, jackpot node becomes an only asset in the crypto market that promises you a permanent passive income without restraining any profits. And that's not the end. Imagine you've bought a diamond Lucius for 250 con and started getting 2.5 con per day. Within 100 days, you would have 250 con plus the diamond Lucius jackpot intact. What it really means is that within 100 days, you can double the amount of money you've invested in Contexia Finance. Now, you can either take those 250 con out of your wallet or reinvest them to buy another jackpot node. This technique lets you increase your primary basket of investment to increase the amount of passive income you'll make. To increase the amount of con you make per day, you can use NFTs in special boost reward skins. For example, you can use NFT to boost the daily earning of 6.6 Con, in case of gold emis to 8 Con or more. The Windstar NFT skin boost lets you increase your earning by 10%, while Spark Touch NFT skin boost reduces the isolation period to 14 days. Isolation period is the time a user has to wait to get gains due to claiming rewards too often. Lucky Yard is another NFT skin boost that decreases the tax by 10%. And if you don't want to own a jackpot node, you can simply stake your con and get a yearly return of 100 to 500%. No matter whether you're a jackpot node holder or a con holder, you can be a part of the decision-making process of the protocol. Contexia Finance works like a decentralized autonomous organization where community is the driving and decision-making force. Thus, when you hold node or con, your voice is heard and your suggestions are considered. Plus, you can also get the chance to test the beta casino that's under development. Did you know that now investing in crypto projects can give you a permanent passive income? Don't be shy. Comment right below in the comment section. Does the idea of getting APR of more than 300% intrigue you? Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to watch more insightful videos about the crypto world, just like this one. Until the next video, stay tuned.